Hey everybody, this is Robin and this is my third year on YouTube and this is only my third video. So I appreciate y'all tuning in today. I will be doing an unboxing for the Yume twins and it's really cool because this came all the way from Japan. Isn't that cool? Yeah, Tokyo. So that's really neat. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it open. Make sure you cut away from your body. I learned the hard way a long time ago. Oop, let's hit the camera. All right, this is really cute. It says, spread the Kawaii love, post and tag. I love the patterns in the box. It's also on the outside. It's also on the outside. Let's take a moment to admire that. That's really cute. This is a booklet, so this is for the May box, and the theme is Bubbly Fantasy, and I'll just go over this at the end, but go ahead and, ooh, is this a pink panda? It sure is. How cute. Look. Oh, it's really squishy. Look at that little booty hole. Little starburst. Oh my gosh. How cute. It was made in China. Really cute. So cute. Ooh. And then let's see what's the next thing. My Melody toothbrush. Very cute. I assume this is for adult teeth. Really cool. From Sanrio. Official licensed product. Very cool. Next thing, ooh, this is pretty hefty. It's a Kirby Bath Ball 2. What did Bath Ball 1 look like? I don't know. But I assume this is like those Lush bath bombs, but probably better because it's Kirby. Yep, right here. There's a tub. You throw it in there, and I guess Kirby pops out. Right there. Oh, it's a surprise like toy. That's really cool. Oh, adorable. It's really heavy, so that's really cool. And the next thing is, I always butcher his name, Gudetama. Anyways, I call him the twerky egg yolk because look at that butt. Twerk, 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 twerk. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's like a facial sponge, but there's some liquid in here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but very interesting. And he's shrugging as if he doesn't care if we wash our face or not. But really cute. And what is this? Animal Life. I don't know if this is chapstick or what, but hopefully the booklet will tell you. But this has hedgehogs, and I guess that's a dog. I'm not sure. Penguin, tons of animals. Not really sure the category of them all. Let me go ahead and open this. I was going to open this one, but I'm afraid all the liquid will spill everywhere. So give me a second. Open this one. Struggle bus. 1 second. Oh my god. How do you open this? Oh my. Oh god. I really don't know. I can't. I don't know how to open this. Nope. Okay, no idea. Which is weird because I thought it was like this, but it's not. So you have to pinch it here in that little gap and then slide it out. Oh, it's very cool. Square shape. I think it's supposed to help you like get to the corners and stuff, but it's just a weird thing to include, I think, for the Bubbly Fantasy theme. Because you can't take a bath with this. I don't know. It's a little weird. But yeah, mystery solved. And the last item. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. I got the black Shiba rug. This is going in the bathroom for sure. Oh my goodness. Look at those eyebrows. So sassy. Oh my gosh. I love it. It's like a rounded square. Border radius 4 pixels. So nice. See the back? I don't know if it has some rubber grip. It doesn't, but I can add some. How cute. I could do it like this too and kind of creep everybody out. I don't know. This is super cute. So there's 6 items. I have no idea how to open this like thing, so we'll see what it says in the pamphlet. There we go. Okay, so there's I don't really know honestly about the streaks, but you can get rewards there. Really cute prizes. Okay, so it explains what's inside the box. These were the options for the squishy chibi animals. Options for the toothbrush. And the Furry Friends floor mat. Oh, mine's not even pictured in here. I wonder how many there actually are. And then Kirby. How adorable. Oh, okay, there is a toy. Sweet. And then a facial sponge. Okay. I guess it's just, I don't know why it's wet, but I don't know. Just add some water and you're good to go. Very interesting. I wish they put his face on it. It would have been really cute. And this one's a glue stick. Okay. I don't know. I really don't know how to open it though. It doesn't really give me any tips. That's okay. That's adorable. Some basketball stuff. A photo contest. And what you can win. Ooh, art corner. That's really cool. Featuring artists of their customers. That's really neat. And then a prize list. Ooh. Some Sailor Moon. Look at that. Super cute. And this is the last. It says subscribers only feature. And they feature the customers' photos. That's really cute. And how to activate your streak. Hopefully that's not unique to me because I'm showing everybody. But yeah, super cute. I think this is a great value because like what, this rug is about $10 I think on its own. This has got to be like 8, 10, I don't know, but this is awesome. But yeah, I'm really excited to put this in my bathroom and use a sponge. I may follow up, just put it in the description box, how that felt or if it smelled weird or anything like that. And this too, I'll maybe put a photo or something on a blog so y'all can see it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I have more unboxings coming up, so stay tuned and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!